I hope you're fine.
Yes, sir.
Hey, my love. Let's drink, eh?
Okay.
Take your drink.
Mm-hmm.
Drink. Let's drink, okay?
Mm-hmm.
I will take all this property. It's mine. Hey, let's drink. Hey,
Let's drink.
my darling. Beautiful family. Hi. I love you so much, eh? Drink up.
Mm-hmm.
I love the taste of this drink. Hey, our lawyer is here.
Okay.
Thank
You're
you for
welcome.
coming.
Hey,
You're welcome.
you guys are looking good, eh?
Drink. Yeah, here's your drink.
Okay.
Finish it, eh?
Thank you.
Only drink up now. Drink up. Eh? Finish it off. Drink now. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Drink now. Drink up.
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm fine.
Are you sure you're okay?
I'm fine. Okay.
Yeah, drink. Eh?
Mm-hmm.
Nah, only drink.
Mm-hmm. Thank you. Mm-hmm.
Drink, eh? Are you fine?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Are you sure you're okay?
I'm fine.
Good wife.
Yeah.
Consider I'm taking good care of you.
Yeah.
She's right.
Yeah.
God bless
Yeah.
you.
Something, yeah.
She's the best wife.
Yeah.
She's really trying to.
I see.
Hey, thank you for praising me for our lawyer.
She's
Yeah.
taking care of me.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah.
Please let me to thank her. Thank her.
Drink, my love.
Love is a beautiful thing.
Drink. Hey.
Mm-hmm.
Honey, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Are you sure you're fine?
Yeah, I'm feeling good. I'm fine. Everything.
Okay.
Apart from my health, everything is fine.
Everything is fine.
Don't worry, everything will be alright.
You don't have headache.
No.
And your stomach is not paining you.
No, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
I'm okay.
Hi. Honey,
Yes.
you're the best thing that has ever happened to me.
Thank
You're the
you.
best.
Thank you.
My darling. My sweet.
You try for me too.
He's a good man. He's a
Yeah,
good
you
man.
really try for me.
Baby, drink now. Drink.
Yeah, I'm drinking. You should drink too. Mm-hmm.
Thank you for the hospitality. You really try.
Mm-hmm.
The property you are talking about, you are taking so much down there. So
Okay.
I believe from now to 2 days, I'll get back to you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
God should give us
For doing
good
that.
buyout.
Yeah, don't worry.
Now buy all the property.
You are in a good hand. Don't worry.
Okay.
Do you know what?
Yeah.
That's why I trusted you.
Yeah.
Do you know that my husband's second house, he gave it to me?
Wow, you deserve more than that.
Oh, he's the best thing that has ever happened to me. Honey, you're the best. Honey, are you sure you're okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm doing fine.
You're doing fine.
Yes.
Nothing is wrong with you at all. You don't have this stomach ache.
No.
Okay. Drink up. Finish it, eh? Finish it.
Mm-hmm.
Finish it. Finish everything, my love.
Mm-hmm.
I love you, eh? Sorry, my love.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
You're the best. Are you sure you're fine?
I'm fine. Completely okay.
My stomach is paining me. I think I want to go to the toilet. It's doing me like
You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
okay, honey, are you fine?
I'm very fine. I'm okay.
It's paining me. Honey, drink up, finish it.
Is it your menstrual flow or what?
Hey! This one is too much. Oh! Hi! My tummy! Whoa, my tummy! Call the ambulance for us, call the ambulance. Call the ambulance. My tummy full, my tummy full. Oh, sorry. Oh my God.
them. Look at the bad people, wicked people. So they are planning to kill me, so you can inherit all my property. Eh? Hey, God, I thank you. Look at them. Even you that's my lawyer that I trust since 15 years. I've been giving you what, giving you everything, so you want to buy me too. You plan with my wife to buy me. God. Even you, my wife, after all I've done for you, hey, Jesus. I was even planning to give all my property to her. And she wants to do this to me. Hey, Jesus. Where's my phone? Eh? This lawyer that I trusted for good 15 years. No, I have to do something. Let me call the ambulance. So let me call the ambulance. So that they come and pack me.